Okay, welcome to the next Nifty Thrifty 50. You're going to need your brand name phonics worksheet, or you could also do this on lined paper. So you'll need a pencil and a paper. You could also use a highlighter for circling things and underlining things, but that's up to you. I will accept a pencil as well. Put your name at the top of the sheet, please, and the date. Remember that in English, many big words are just smaller words with prefixes, that comes at the beginning, suffixes, that comes at the end, added to root words. Good spellers do not need to memorize the spelling of every new word that they meet. Rather, they notice the pattern in the words. These patterns are prefixes, suffixes, and small spelling changes. Okay, this word is dishonest. Circle the prefix. So you should have circled dis. What do you think dis means? The prefix dis means the opposite. So please write down opposite, and you could put a little arrow pointing to dis. The root word is honest. So if someone is dishonest, it means they are the opposite of honest. Okay, next word. Okay, write down this next word. It is illegal. Circle what you think is the prefix and underline the root word. Ill is the prefix and legal is the root word. What do you think the prefix ill means? It means the opposite as well, just like dis. So illegal means the opposite of something which is legal. Legal means allowed. Can you think of other words that include ill at the beginning? Two more words that I would like you to write down are illiterate and illegitimate. Those words have a similar prefix. Next word now. This next word is irresponsible. I would like you to try to find the root word here. If you said response, then you are correct. Now they have dropped the E for the word response. The prefix is IR, which also signals an opposite. So if someone is irresponsible, they are not able to make the correct response to something. Similar words are irregular and irrational. I'm going to write them down, and I would like you to as well. So this is just a little aside, but I would like you to write these words down. So in the case of all of these words, the prefixes indicate that the word is the opposite of the root, and I'll show you what I mean. Take the time right now to write down all four of these words, please. So the root word here is possible, dependent, legal, responsible. But the prefix to each one of these words, im, in, ill, ear, they all mean the opposite. So that's a fun fact, and it will help you with your spelling. Okay, so write down the word misunderstood. And think about what the root word might be. If you said understood, then you are correct. Keep in mind that understood is the past tense. that means it happened in the past, of understand. And the prefix of this word is miss, which is again the opposite. So it's the opposite of understanding something. Okay, next word. Please write down this word. It is performance. What do you think the root of this word is, and what is the suffix or the ending part? If you said perform and ants as the suffix, then you are correct. But you know what? I'm going to introduce to you that the actual root word, I know that's tricky, is form. The suffix is ants, and the prefix is per. So form means to shape something. Okay, two more words that I would like you to write down are reform and deform. If you reform something, you are reshaping it again. If something has been deformed, it has had its shape or form damaged. So guess what? I went back there and I put an ED on the end of deformed because I realized I made a mistake. So hopefully you can switch your word to, please. Rearrange. Please write this word down. Rearrange is the word arrange with the prefix re. The prefix re means again. So that means someone is arranging something again. Okay, your final word for today is replacement. Can you figure out what the prefix, suffix, and root word is for this one? It is actually place with the suffix ment and the prefix re. So in this case, the prefix re means to put something back. So replacement means to put something back the way it was before.